Mastering the Art of Ellipses in English Sentences. Hello language enthusiasts! Welcome to a new video in our series on punctuation marks. Today, we're diving into the world of ellipses. You might recognize them as those three little dots that pop up in texts, novels, and speeches. They might seem small, but they hold a lot of power. In this video, we're focusing on how you can rewrite sentences using ellipses to modify the tone, imply something, or just make your sentences more interesting. So, let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what we mean when we say ellipses. In English punctuation, an ellipsis is a set of three periods, or full stops, used to indicate the omission of a word, sentence, or whole sections from a text. It can also signify a pause or trailing off in speech. The most common use of ellipses is to show that something has been left out. This is frequently used in quotations where unnecessary details can be removed. For example, consider the sentence, "My name is John. I like to play basketball on the weekends, and I have two dogs named Max and Ruby." If we only care about John's love for basketball, we could use ellipses to omit the rest. My name is John the First like to play basketball on the weekends. Ellipses can also be used to create a sense of suspense or drama. They can indicate that a speaker has trailed off or paused in their speech. Let's transform the sentence. "I don't know. Maybe we should ask her." By using ellipses, we can add a sense of hesitation. "I don't know, maybe we should ask her?" In informal writing like chats or social media, ellipses are often used to imply that there's more to say, or to suggest a certain tone or mood. For instance, the sentence, "Fine, I'll do it," can be rewritten as, "Fine, I'll do it." Here, the ellipses make the sentence sound more reluctant or annoyed. And that's it, folks. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to use ellipses when rewriting sentences. Remember, while ellipses are versatile, they are also powerful. Use them wisely to omit text, add drama, or suggest mood in your sentences. As always, keep practicing and experimenting with different sentences and contexts. You'll be an ellipsis master in no time. Until next time, happy learning!